welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm posting a video that I've been wanting to film for a long time because this is the only routine I have like set. Like every day I do all these things. Yes, it is my night routine, but I kept arguing with myself. I'm like, no, people won't like it. But I'm like, I want to do it, so let me do it. So yeah, and also this is routine. I'm not gonna do anything just to show you all or just for the camera. No, this is what I do usually, so I'm just gonna do it in front of camera so you guys can see it. Yeah, that's about it. Let's get on to the video. I just like to do some stretches before dinner to keep my body fit. And for dinner, I'll be having rice with some baked pal and a little salad. And this is just me wasting time after dinner before I do my night routine. Because come on, we all waste time on our phones and all that. And now my night routine properly starts. So I start off with double cleansing, though I'm wearing like zero, like literally zero makeup right now. After I wash my face, you'll get more proof that I'm not wearing makeup. So I first cleanse my face with an oil. So I sometimes use coconut oil or I use olive oil. Today I'll use olive oil because I know coconut oil does not suit major people. Taking very little, just I have zero makeup, so I don't need lots. I can't show you, it's gonna fall, but just to I'll massage my face with this nicely. Basically all the oil impurities, now we're not going out, but when we go out, all the oil impurities that are stuck in our skin will come out, and it's very important to double cleanse our face because once is just not enough. I'll just do this nicely. I'll just massage my face for some time. Okay, now I just massaged this for a while and now I'm going to actually tie my hair because I don't want it to get wet. Using the same method. If you've seen in my how I maintain my curly hair for a week video. And then I'm going to wash it up with plain water because first let the oil come out and then I'll use a face wash. It's quite difficult to remove oil from your face, but now I'm using a clean microfiber towel. Do not use your face towel for more than 1 day. Just put it for wash every time you use it. It went in my eye a little. Okay. I'm done. I think you can already see how clean my face looks. Now I'm gonna go with my face wash. So I'm using the Wow Vitamin C face wash. Yeah, now I've been using this in a very few days, but before this I used to use the Wow charcoal one, and this is my second bottle. It's over, so I restocked with this one, and I'm gonna wash my I'm gonna put it with this. That's it, and then I'm gonna massage my face for 60 seconds. Now I'll normally tell Alexa to count because I can't count, so 1 second. Alexa, set a timer for 1 minute.
1 minute. Starting now.
Yeah, so that's what I do. I'll just wash my face with my fingers for 1 minute and I'll be right back. I massage my face for 1 minute and I wash my face on a dry skin, like after wiping all the water, then I put face wash. So 1 minute is difficult to wash without water, so I think after 30 seconds I just wet my hands and then start massaging again. It's better if we do it for more than 1 minute, but come on, yeah, we all are very lazy. Now I'll wash this off and then I'll show you how I tone my skin. Now I'm going to use the other side of the microfiber towel because I wiped my oil wala face on that side. Now I'm wiping my face very gently, and microfiber towels are very gentle. I think you guys can already see how clean, like squeaky clean my skin looks now because I double cleanse. Now I'm gonna go to my kitchen and then the next step happens. Shh, everyone's sleeping. I'm in my kitchen because I toned my face with rice water ice cubes. So I'm gonna put it. I don't like to use any chemicals on my skin. I would normally just use plain ice, but now I start using rice water because it's just good for the skin. Yeah, that's what I do. And push it into my skin. Yeah, and then I get hot water. I just got hot water because I drink hot water every night before I sleep because it's just healthy. And since all the rice water is absorbed in my skin, I like to wet my skin because all the skincare will penetrate inside nicely. Smell like rose. And then I use a serum by Mamaearth. I use the Skin Correct serum because if you can see, I do have some marks because I burst my pimples. It's not really pimples, I just get bumps on my forehead, and like a dumb person, I burst it, which I shouldn't be doing. That's why I have those little tiny little marks. Now never rub your hands together to warm it up, but never rub your face when you're putting serum because the serum has to go inside. Like, serum is the most concentrated formula, so I would suggest everyone who has little skin problem or their skin is not naturally bright and glowing, just use a good serum. It really helps. Like, I can now take pictures without filters, and trust me, that's a great achievement. And before my serum penetrates fully, I use a spot correction because I have pimples, like, dude. So I just take a drop of it and then I look into the mirror, just put it. And this really helps because it will penetrate in your skin along with the serum. Yeah. Now until my serum and spot correction, I use tea tree oil from Body Shop as a spot correction. Trust me, it really helps acne. Like if an acne like pimple is coming, you just put tea tree oil and it won't come till morning. Like the seed and all does not come. There was a pimple coming and I've been using tea tree oil and the pimple is just disappearing. It's not coming only. And now I'll just put castor oil on my eyelashes. I think you've already seen that video, but if you haven't, check it out. I grew my lashes in 7 days with castor oil and now I've been regular with it. I'm gonna put some castor oil. And I put this on my hairline also because I have bald spots. Yeah. That's what I do. And then I put lip balm. Now putting lip balm in the night is very, very necessary. I used to use Bioline, but now I use Vaseline. I put a really thick layer because it's gonna help you, you know, overnight it will just repair your lips. And I have really chapped and not nice lips. Now all my products have penetrated. I'll use Mamaearth's night cream. Now I don't use the night cream every night. I use the turmeric and aloe vera gel also. This is more like a sleeping mask. So I do it like 2-3 times a week and the rest of the week I do this. And when my skin's really bad, like I want a good plump cute look in the morning, then I use the aloe vera. Otherwise when it's normal, it will give me a good radiance in the morning when I wake up. So I'm gonna put this. Now this you have to massage it in. Don't rub it in, but massage it in. And if it warms up, it penetrates into your skin better. Like it has to go on till the lowest layer of your skin. And for me, since I burst my pimple, and do not forget your neck. Like people forget their neck and it's very irritating. Put product on your neck also. Now I'm done with this. And till this penetrates, I'm gonna put my bed. See, it's a little messy, just make it sleepable because I don't like to sleep in a messy room. And then I'll catch you guys. I just put my bed so it's sleepable, but before I sleep, I'll drink hot water, waste a lot of time on my phone, put my hair in a satin scrunchie, and then I know I look very funny, but I can't really help it. This is how I sleep, and then I'll put my hair in a satin bonnet. What? Ditch it. And I look very funny when I wear this. So if you want to see how funny I look, you should go check out how I maintain my hair without washing it for an entire week. I wear this, but please don't take a screenshot and send it to me. Okay, now I'm gonna go put these on, drink some hot water, waste a lot of time on my phone, edit this video probably because it has to go up tomorrow, and sleep. But I'm gonna sleep, but you can't sleep until you like, share, comment down below if you like this video, if you have a night routine and what do you do. Like, talk to me. I love talking. I'll talk to all of you. And subscribe to my channel, yeah, please. And yeah, that's about it, I guess. Turn your bell notifications on. Okay, good night, bye. Wait, it's not night for you, for all of you. You might watch it in the night though. Whatever it is. Bye.